Hi everyone, this is Laura and I'll be your instructor for this course. This course is for anyone who has something to promote but very small budget or no budget at all to invest in advertising. I'll teach you how to master social media to reach your target audience and increase your sales. We'll be starting off with a self-assessment. There is a PDF you can download to test your knowledge of social media before we get into the actual course. You will review this document at the end of the course to see how far you've come and to check whether you're ready to proceed with your final assignment. Our first section will be about the fundamentals of marketing. We'll review the most important concepts anywhere from segmentation to product positioning. Then we'll move on to a section that will introduce you to the world of social media. You'll understand what they are, what they can do for you, and most importantly, we'll introduce the editorial plan and the editorial calendar. You'll be provided with templates that will make your life so much easier. We'll then have three main sections, one about Facebook, one about Twitter, and the third one about Instagram. An additional section will be dedicated to niche social media sites. You will learn how to master these tools, and I'll share some little secrets that will make your activity more efficient and effective. We'll then move on to community management. A company does not need customers, it needs fans, and you'll learn how to turn your audience into an army of fans and make each single customer a brand ambassador that will spread your word for you. Then we'll have a section fully dedicated to blogging, to understanding how to blog with purpose and use a blog to create an additional income stream. You wouldn't mind making some money on the side, would you? Another section will provide you with all the instruments you need to monitor your social media and blogging activity, and you'll be able to produce a fantastic analytics report. No worries, you got a template for that one as well. We will conclude our journey with a case study about The Dark Knight Rises to see why its campaign was crowned best social media campaign ever and what you can learn from it. First of all, I'm super passionate about what I do. The first time I had seen a website, I immediately thought I had to learn how to create one. Since then, I never stopped learning anything from web design to online marketing. In terms of education, I have a background in business, innovation management, and entrepreneurship. My skills, passion, and enthusiasm led me to create the largest online community of Leonardo DiCaprio fans and work for some of the most famous brands in the movie industry. I also worked as a community manager on various projects related to the Great Gatsby movie. Then I specialize in community management for startups and entrepreneurs. I also ended up teaching my own community management course in the context of various master's programs throughout Italy. And now, here I am. I want to specify that no one is paying me for promoting any tool that I mentioned throughout the course. If I tell you that something is useful and works really well, it's because I have tried it and it worked well for me. There is no specific requirement for attending this course, except for one. You need to be passionate. No matter how good I can be, no matter how valuable the information I share with you, you won't get anywhere without putting your heart into it. Be open to learning and to success, and I promise you are going to love this exciting journey. Now I think we are ready to start. I'll see you in our next lecture.